Going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy Marlon O. Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. Guys, welcome to the second installment of how to make money on the internet working from home on your computer. Okay? Hopefully you guys have seen the last installment, the last video, the first one that I put up, and I used a baseball analogy to talk to you guys about what you needed if you wanted to get in the game, okay, in terms of making money on the internet and making money online. So I told you guys we're going to dive a little bit deeper, right, into internet marketing, guys, because it's not just about jumping online, having your own done-for-you marketing and sales system and getting out there and just making tons of money, as it is becoming a product of the product, okay? In this video, guys, well, let's talk about discipline first. I just bought myself a roast beef and cheddar cheese sandwich. I ate half, guys. Discipline is the acquired ability to do what's right in the absence of supervision. That means my wife ain't around telling me not to eat the other half right now, guys, and I'm still not eating it because I'm full and I'm cool. That's discipline. And the reason I mention discipline, guys, and when I talk about you becoming a product of the product and that you are your own business, that's something that you're going to have to start understanding and coming to terms with, guys. If you want to go out here and start building a business from home and making money on the internet. When I talk about becoming a product of the product, what am I talking about? What do I mean by becoming a product of the product? Guys, at any given time on any of my videos, you guys can get instant access to done-for-you sales systems, right? They're done for you. That's easy. When we talk about becoming a part of the process, guys, and you are your business and becoming a product of the product, now we're talking about injecting yourself into the internet marketing and training that you're going to be receiving, guys, with anything that I do. The training that I'm able to provide you guys, right? It's almost, you guys, I told you I spent thousands upon thousands of dollars buying internet marketing, training, and coaching. A lot of it, guys, was a waste of time. I spent thousands of dollars. What I'm offering you guys is pennies on the dollar. But the training is powerful. And anytime you can tap into it. But now I'm talking about injecting yourself into the process. I'm talking about you are your business, guys. You can build a business around yourself and sell multiple products and services because you are the business. Not the name of the business that you join. You are your business, right? So when you talk about injecting yourself into your business and becoming a product of the product, you becoming a product of the product, that means you're going to have to delve into the training, guys, okay? If you're brand new and you don't know what I'm talking about, then get into the members area, get into the training, guys, and start teaching yourself how to lay that foundation so that you can go out here and speak your own success into existence. That's what this is about, guys. This is what all the internet marketing and training that I'll be providing with you guys, that's exactly what it's about. You have to do something, guys, okay? There are no magic bullets. There are no magic pills. And I'll tell you this, I made that mistake, guys, because of my personality. A lot of people, they mistake my enthusiasm for hype. So they see me talking about a particular business opportunity. They jump in and join, guys, and the moment they find out they got to do something, guess what, guys? They quit. 80% of the people who join a business opportunity, guys, if they don't see results within a specified amount of time, they're going to quit. And you're no different. The way that you get around that is to dig into the training that I'm going to provide to you guys. Immerse yourself in the internet marketing training. Become a product of the product because you are your business, okay? Now, like all the videos, at any given time, right, you guys will be able to tap into my done-for-you sales system. You guys can use that done-for-you sales system and leverage it to start making money online right now, right? But in the meantime, I'm challenging you guys. I'm telling you guys, right? It's imperative if you want to be successful and you're serious about making money online and laying that foundation and developing a skill set that's going to enable you to go out and speak your own success into existence, then you have to become a product of the product. How do you do that? You dig into the training, guys. You get hot. You take action and you implement what it is you now have instant access to. Anyway, guys, I hope this makes sense. I hope it's coming around to you guys. I'm going to see you guys on the next installment of how to make money on the internet working from home on your computer / theory. I'll see you in the next video, okay? As always, this is your boy Marlon Bennett. Listen to you guys' wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.